Do you know that type 1 diabetes can be cured? Most people know that type 2 diabetes can be cured, or at least can be controlled, unlike type 1. Let's talk about pancreas and what is the function of it. The pancreas has two functions.
One is endocrine and the other is exocrine. In endocrine, the pancreas produces chemicals or hormones that regulate blood sugar such as insulin. However, in exocrine, the pancreas produces enzymes that help digesting our food.
Okay, let's know what is type 1 diabetes. It is an autoimmune disease. The cause of type 1 diabetes is usually the body's own immune system. Mistakenly, it destroys the beta cells, or insulin producing cell in the pancreas. So the immune system attacks or destroys them as if they were invaders. Other possible causes for type 1 diabetes is genetics and viruses. And now let's know about insulin and glucose. Glucose is an essential fuel for the cells in the body. We obtain carbohydrates from the food.
Carbohydrates broken down by digestive system and turns into glucose.
The glucose is then absorbed in the bloodstream and carried to cells. Insulin is like a key which unlocks the door that allows glucose to enter the cell. Simply, if blood sugar or glucose level increase after eating a meal, insulin secretion rises accordingly in order to keep glucose level steady. And if sugar decreases due to long periods of starvation or exercise, the insulin levels will fall. This insulin-sugar balance is extremely well organized, but unfortunately, type 1 diabetes pancreas is not able to produce insulin. And now, after understanding the role of insulin and glucose and what is type 1 diabetes, let's talk about the most important part. How to cure someone that has type 1 diabetes. Stop eating sugar. Use Himalayan and ocean salt instead of other kinds of salt. Drink alkaline water instead of normal water.
Take vitamins.
Get enough sleep, which is from 6 to 8 hours a day.
Eat more green plants meals.
Eat more healthy fats, which means stop eating junk food. Stop taking drugs and change it to probiotics. Stay hydrated all the time. Manage your stress levels. Use natural oil like olive oil instead of other kinds of oils. And the last and important one, doing exercises. This is how my brother became from type 1 diabetes into a normal person with a cured pancreas.